we're making, what?
She doesn't know. We're going to be playing with a simple chemical reaction of water and baking soda to form bubbles, and we're going to just have a variety of different stuff she's going to play with and learn with and see what happens. So one of the first things we're going to do is just look at the simple reaction as is. So we're going to take one of these bowls, and the ingredients we're going to start out with, so leave that on there right now, is we're going to fill this one up with some vinegar. It's not a measured amount, we're just using this as a pouring device. And then we're going to fill one bowl up with baking soda, just so that we have some to take from. That's not going to be our nice clean one. So this one, if other stuff gets in it, because it probably will, you don't have to worry, because it's not the ones you're going to keep. So I'll keep our nice jar source material over there. So this will be one of the main things that we're going to play with, and we're just going to see what happens with it by putting some in a cup. And we're first going to see what happens with something that's more neutral, not baking soda, but water. So we're going to try it with some cold water first from the fridge. So Eleni, put 1 spoonful in the cup. Yep. And then we're going to put some water in, some cold water, and we'll see if anything happens. Do you think anything's going to happen?
No.
No, you don't think anything's going to happen? Look at it. What do you see?
Something. Sugar.
Yeah, looks like sugar. But it's not really doing anything. If we mix it around a little bit,
No.
here, give it a stir. Something happen when we stir it? No, not really. It's just being lazy, just sleeping. Okay, so we're gonna dump this one out. We'll use this bowl as our garbage bowl for right now. Any experiments that are in, we'll just pour it in there. Give it a quick rinse. Okay, next we're gonna try it with hot water. So put 1 spoon in. One of the baking soda. Using the spoon. We'll use this to stir, so we'll keep this in there. So put 1 spoon in. And this time we're going to put in hot water. Do you think anything different is going to happen if you put hot water versus cold water?
No.
No, you think it's going to not do anything? Is it doing something? What happened? You had some bubbles a little bit. Did you hear that? What's that?
Probably a snake.
You think it's a snake? You make a hiss sound like a snake? There's no snakes in there. You want to stir? Still some in there? Should we put more water in?
Yeah.
Give another stir. Still that one. Is it done? Oh boy. Do you see? Is there any left in it? It's a little bit cloudy. Do you see a powder still? Some powder. Should we add more water? No? Or do you want to add more? It's getting clearer and clearer.
Oh, okay. Why is that not glowing like that?
Oh, this is just water. Oh, yeah, it's clear. See, the water's clear now. Except for some at the bottom. It's clearing up. It's dissolving. Let's try to add a little bit more water. See if we get it all to become clear. Make all the white stuff disappear. Give it a stir. And we'll look at it. Is it clear? It is. Where did all the white stuff go?
Oh, I cannot see.
Where did all the white stuff go?
Went away from the water.
Do you think it's disappeared?
Mm-hmm.
Did it go in the air? Where did it go?
In the cup.
You think it's in the cup still?
Okay.
How can we test it? How you can check to see if it's there?
Let's put some more.
Well, we know what water tastes like. Do you think this stuff's gonna taste like water? Mmm. Yeah, bitter. Is that good flavor? No. It's still in there, right? That's what making this stuff is making that taste. You want to see what this stuff tastes like?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's gonna taste good, or do you think it's gonna taste like that water? Yeah. Doesn't taste good at all, does it? Gross. But that's the same flavor in here. So even though it's disappeared, we can't see it anymore. It's still there somehow. It's just not something we can see anymore. Call that dissolving. It's dissolved.
Oh, we didn't put it in yet.
Okay. So, next thing we're gonna try is we're gonna try it with, this is not water, this is vinegar. We're gonna put some vinegar in there instead. So put a scoop in. We know what happened with cold water, we know what happened with hot water. What do you think is gonna happen with vinegar?
It's gonna pop.
You think it's gonna have bubbles? Let's see, let's put some in. What happened?
It's going bigger and slow.
Lots of bubbles. See how many bubbles those were?
Hmm?
Whoa.
It's going up and
still
down.
bubbling. Give it a stir. That wouldn't even very much.
It's not going up.
Yeah. So this you can't see anything in it. It's clear like water. This, should we try that same thing and see if we can get it clear too? It's still kind of cloudy. Should we add some more in and see if it goes clear? Oh, more.
It's going up and down.
Yeah. Give it a stir again. Still bubbling, still bubbles.
No.
Is it clear yet?
We didn't put some dough yet.
Is this clear yet, Eleni?
Mom, it's Papa. We didn't put some dough
We're gonna
yet.
try that one next. Let's add some more and try to get it clear. Is it still bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What do you think? Is it clear yet, or do we need to add some more?
No.
Try adding some more and see if it goes clear.
No.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
We still got bubbles. See the bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
It's going slowly now. But there's still bubbles going on.
Oh.
And there's still some at the bottom. So we'll add more and see if we can get all the bubbles gone. And it still bubbles up. Look how many bubbles there are.
It's going up
There's a lot of
and
bubbles.
down.
Yeah, all the bubbles happen and then it goes away.
We didn't put some dough yet. Papa, two little cups. Papa, can you put yellow?
Is it clear yet?
No.
No.
Smell some so. Papa, I smell some this.
Should we add some more to try to get it clear? Do you see the little pile on the bottom still? Do you see that pile in the middle? Do you see it? So there's still bubbles. It's still doing something in there. Those bubbles last for a while now. Give it a stir. And look at that. Is it still white or is it clear now?
No.
There's still bubbles happening, but I think it's clear. Look how clear it is.
Papa, we can put lots of those.
So what do you think happened to the white stuff? Where did it go? Is it still in the cup or did it disappear? The white powder.
The white powder went away.
There's still a little bit on the bottom, but most of it's gone. Do you think like the water, is it going to taste like this or is it going to taste like vinegar?
Try it.
Sure. Do you know what vinegar tastes like?
No.
So you can try the vinegar too, see what it tastes like. A caution, with other chemicals, you shouldn't try to taste them, but these ones are safe, we know what they are.
What?
Does this one taste like vinegar or does it taste different?
like different.
It actually tastes a lot less like vinegar than this one does.
Can I try this one?
You can try that one again if you want to. All right, so next thing we're gonna try, we'll have to pour ourselves some more vinegar, but let's try to put some of the soap in and see what happens when we put the soap in there too.
Weird.
So we're gonna add some of that, the white stuff. Oh, we'll use a spoon to drip it because we don't want too much. So put 1 scoop of the white stuff in, the baking soda, and then add just a couple drops. So use a spoon and just add a couple drops in there. We don't need too much, just a couple drops.
Yeah.
Yep, that'll be plenty. And then just drip a little bit in. Oh, that's lots. And then put it back in the bowl. The cup you got it from?
Which one?
The green one. Put it back in there so it's not getting everything messy. And then we're gonna try it with the vinegar. What do you think is gonna happen with the soap in there? We put soap in there, right?
Okay.
What do you think is gonna happen?
It's gonna pop.
You think it's gonna go big?
Go.
All the bubbles kept disappearing. Do you think the bubbles are gonna stay or are they gonna disappear?
They're up here.
Yeah, you think they're gonna disappear still? Okay, let's see what happens. So we'll pour it in. Whoa. Are they disappearing or are they staying?
They're popping out like that.
Yeah, they're doing like that picture there. You wanna give a mix? Whoa, they're there. You can pick them up, you can play with them. Just like bubbles in the bathtub, huh? Why aren't they disappearing now? They used to disappear, now they're not. Do you think that's the soap? Should we taste this because it has soap in it? No, this one has soap in it. We don't want to eat soap. Soap is one chemical we don't want to eat. Won't kill us in small amounts, but it's not good for our tummies either. Should we try to add some more?
No.
You want to see if it does more when we add more? Is it making more bubbles? Yeah, more bubbles are coming out. It's still reacting. So, what's happening in this one is that normally all the bubbles came up and then they popped and then they just were in the air. It was actually carbon dioxide that was forming.
Can I do green one?
When we put this in, when the soap goes in there, instead of the bubbles being able to pop and just disappear.
Oh, can I make another one?
You want to do some other ones with colors?
Mm-hmm.
So when the soap's in there, it keeps it in the soap form so that it still has all the air happening, it still forms bubbles, but instead of the bubbles just popping and disappearing, they make soap bubbles instead, which are a little bit more stable. All right, I'm gonna get a bigger disposal bowl because this one's full. And we want to try it with some colors too now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I found the colors. Okay. Alrighty. You ready, Eleni? So, we're going to try, they're actually going to try different shapes as well. So we'll throw out this experiment water. Rinse. So now what did you want to try? You want to try with some colors?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to do one color or two colors? Okay, so we're still learning our colors. So what colors do we have? You want to do those two colors together?
Mm-hmm.
We can make other colors too. So we got some red, some yellow, some blue, well, some green and blue. And she wants to put which colors together? Which colors do you want to put together?
On this one.
You want to put
This one.
green and blue? So we'll just mix 2 colors at first. So do a scoop of the baking powder. And baking soda, sorry. Yep. We'll do a scoop of soap. So just a couple drops is all we need, right? Don't need too many, just a couple drops. That's lots. Put it back. And then it's gonna happen fast when we put these in. So do you do just 1 drop of green and 1 drop of blue? Oh, didn't do anything yet. And all the vinegar, what do you think is gonna happen? Is it gonna be green or blue or both colors?
Both colors.
You think it's gonna be both colors? Let's see.
No green.
It's not a bright green though. It's a little bit of green and a little blue. A blue green. Ooh. Pretty, huh? It's still going, huh? Still growing.
Can you make it again? Okay.
Do you want to add more of this or do you want to do different colors?
I'll do different color.
Okay. So we'll dump out this
Papa,
one.
they're the same. Papa, they're the same. Papa, they're the same. Papa, they're the same.
Yeah. We have 2 things of blue and 2 things of green.
Oh, no, grab.
Okay.
Let's
Let's bring some other cups in too. Let's do a bunch of cups. So which colors do you want to do for now? You can mix 1 color or 2 colors. Just 1 scoop in each, right? Yeah, 1 scoop in there too. Which colors are you gonna mix this time? We already did blue and green. How about we'll do yellow and red in this one. So a couple drops of red. You do a couple drops of yellow. One more drop of yellow. Then we'll do blue and red in this one. You want to do the red in the middle one? Oops. And this last one we'll do blue. Oh no, this one, this middle one. We'll do blue and yellow in the last one. Do you want to put some yellow in the last one? Yellow in this one. So remember the colors we put in? We put yellow and red, blue and blue and yellow. So put a little bit of soap, and then we'll add the vinegar, and we'll see what happens when the colors mix. Are you ready? Which one first? This one first. So with the yellow and the red, it turns into what color is that?
Red and orange.
Red, yellow, and orange. Yeah, there's some orange in there too. So red and yellow made some orange colors too. That's cool. We didn't have orange. Now we do. I'll do the pouring. You want it in the middle now?
You do the middle.
Do you want to guess what color blue and red are going to make? What color are blue and red going to make?
It's gonna pop.
It's going to get bigger, yeah, but do you know what color the blue and red are going to make?
Mm-hmm.
What color are they going to make?
They're gonna make pop.
That's a big one, huh?
Thank you, Dad.
What colors do you see?
Blue.
Blue, yeah. The red didn't really mix too well, huh? Let's try to add a little bit more so that's gonna do stuff. Oh, that's going up. What color's down here? Do you see the bottom color? Now what color is it? What color is this?
Blue.
I think that looks kind of like purple. Think that looks kind of purpley?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let me do the other one.
Or the last one?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let's try something first. Where's that spoon? Let's see if we give it a mix to get it mixed up better at the bottom. I think that's one of our problems. Isn't mixing very well at the bottom. What color is that one?
Green.
green. What colors were in there in the start? It wasn't green. We had yellow and red. No, yellow and blue. And they mixed together, they made green. Cool, huh? I'm gonna give it a mix. You can see a bit of liquid at the bottom. That's also a different color too, huh? Those aren't clear. That one's green. This one is
purple.
Purple. And this one is? What color is this one?
Red.
An orangey red, yeah. Those are color mixing of physical light colors.
Can we do the...
Okay, one last part of this experiment that we'll try is we'll try it in different bottles and see what happens in the different bottles. This is kind of a free-flowing, no restriction kind of setup. Let's see if we put some lids on them, if it's gonna do other stuff, just to see. So let's try a really big open wide one, like we were doing before. Let's try a regular sized one. I'm missing a bottle. Oh, here it is. One that comes in a normal size shaped bottle. And then this one is going to be a thin. We're going to have to screw on the cap really fast on this one and see what happens. Are you ready? So, what do we add first? No, we had this white stuff first. One scoop in each. Use the funnel to make it easier to have it all go in there. One scoop in there. One scoop in there. One scoop in there. Perfect. Do you want to add some colors too? On soap and colors, yeah. We already looked at colors. You can add any colors you want. Maybe make some new mix. Maybe more green or more yellow. Oh. What was that for? Good thing that wasn't one of the smaller ones. 1, 2. Only 2 drops. Do you want colors in the other ones too? You're gonna put green and that one as well. Green and yellow in that one as well. So they all have green and yellow. Okay. Are you ready? So this one, that's gonna have a very thin top. Do you think anything different is gonna happen there? What difference is gonna happen?
Pop.
You think it's gonna pop? Okay.
Right.
Need more baking soda. And vinegar, sorry. So we'll do the big one first. Ready? Whoa.
It's so big.
Oh, we forgot to put the soap in. See, the bubbles aren't staying. We forgot to put the soap in. Oops. Now the bubbles are staying. Have to put bubbles in the rest of them too. You want to put some soap in the rest?
No, it's not popping.
Yeah, well, it already reacted. You could try to add more baking soda, see if we'll do it then. Give it a stir. Vinegar as well. There, now it's going.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, let's put some soap in the other ones too. We forgot to add soaps.
Soap too much?
Just a little bit in each, but yeah, but we forgot to add the soap. Just a drop in each? Yep, that's good. Next. Get a big drop in each. Alright, now we're ready for more vinegar. Okay, ready? We'll do the middle one now. Try our funnel too, just be a little bit careful. I probably don't need it, but. Whoa. Shoots out really fast. The other one was really slow. This one shoots out fast. You want to do the last one too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this one we have to work real fast. We're going to try to put this cap before it gets to the top. That's too big. I didn't add enough. Guess we needed more stuff in there. Let's make it. It's going. Shoots out just a little hole.
Going very slow.
Yeah. Probably we just didn't add enough. We needed to add more. More of both. You want to try to close it? See what happens? Sure. Oh, it's got some bubbles on you. That's fine. What do you think's happening?
Nothing.
They're not able to get out, huh?
Like a baby.
Now they're getting out. There we go. Anything else you want to try with these ones?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the main setups that I want to try. Oh, Mama had one other thing she gave us to try out with.
Mm.
What are we going to do with these?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any ideas?
Mm-hmm.
So I think what Mama was thinking of is we'll empty one of these out.
There's only two of them. There's only one.
Actually, we'll use this other container. Since we already know what's happening inside it, this is a bigger one and a dirtier one.
Okay. Stopping bubbles!
So we're going to try to do it the other way to see if we can get more in there. So we need a lot of vinegar to make it go really explosive. It's a bigger container, so hold on. We got to add the color and the soap first. You want to add soap or color in this one, or just have it be white? Quite a bit. It's about half full. Hold on. What was that pop? Was that this?
Mm-hmm.
It popped? Okay. So we're going to do this in a special way. We're going to instead put it in here. So we're going to put it into the balloon. And then when we put the balloon on, then it should dump all the baking soda in there. Ready? Fill it up. Give it probably 3 scoops. We'll do lots in this one. 1, 2. Or let's just add all of it. See what happens. We have a whole bunch in there. Shaking it to get it down into the balloon. The funnel was a little wet, but we got most of it in there. So we got a whole bunch in there. A whole bunch in there. Did you add soap to this one too? Or you don't want soap?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it with soap too? Okay. A couple of drops of soap. There you go. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
For that, and we'll add it all and see what happens.
Ah.
Oh man, look at it! What's happening? The balloon wasn't that big. The balloon was this big. Why is it so big now? Look at it get so big.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Look at it get so big. What happened, Eleni? Why is it getting bigger? That's the same like we blow it up, right? Why is it getting bigger?
Big boobies.
You know how it's getting bigger?
It's going down.
It's all the bubbles, right? The bubbles are making it bigger. For some reason,
Bubble.
when we add the vinegar and the baking soda together, it's making it take up more space than it was before. Mm-hmm. Can you guess why it's taking up more space than it was before? So we're not adding anything else. It's nothing else. It's just those two things being put together. For some reason, it's just making more.
How can we do another one?
You want to do another one with a balloon?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Which container do you want to use?
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it on another bottle or on something else? On that big one? Oh, I gotta see if I can stretch it. I don't think this is gonna stretch that big. You have to stretch it all the way over. It's not gonna stretch that big.
Okay.
The biggest I could get on might be that, but we can do it on this bottle if you want. Do you want to do it on this bottle?
Mm-hmm.
Or this clear bottle? Which one would you like? We'll do this little one. So if there's a couple bubbles, it shouldn't matter too much. So we'll add the vinegar in here like we did last time, right? What did you add to the balloon? What do you add to the balloon, Ellie? Where's the balloon?
Powder, papa, powder.
Need more baking soda powder? Big bottle.
Big bottle, big bottle, big bottle, big bottle, a big bottle, a big
One
bottle.
big scoop should be enough. It's going in there? Yeah, slowly. Got a dirty funnel. If I had a toothpick, I could just poke it through. You might have to. There it goes.
Blah, 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 blah.
Did we get all of it in there? Is it all in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you add the soap?
Mm-hmm.
Did you want color too or no color?
Color.
Okay, which color? Some blue or some yellow? You seem to like the yellow. Okay, ready? So put this on nice and firmly. And then we'll flip it upside down. Do you think it's gonna do the same thing as this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go for it. Oh, you gotta just fall in. Gotta get in there. Oh, it's pouring out the sides. Oh no, oh no. It's too much. It's pouring out everywhere. Whoops. Guess it was too much pressure for the balloon. Maybe it'd be better. I stretched out the other one. Maybe that's why. That one it got stuck.
You can put it over in this one.
Well, it's shooting out so fast. We put a lot of stuff in there. I was hoping to make it really big. It's filled up our dirt tray. Oh man. Well, anyways, I think that's where we're in for the day. Was this fun doing experiments like this, Melanie?
Mama,
Was it fun doing experiments like this, Eleni? So, I hope you can try it at home. See if you can have fun. And again, like a good tip, just to make it cleaner, is put a tray underneath, something big, or a big cloth so you can wrap it up after. It's a good idea. And then just putting all this stuff is safe. It's baking soda. You put these stuff in cookies, so all of it is technically edible except for the soap. So you can just throw it all in the dishwasher in the sink, wash it all up when you're done. A fun experiment to play with and show some different color mixing, simple chemical reactions forming a gas, different thoughts. You can ask questions before like we did to see what, it's kind of the scientific process, right? You kind of guess what's gonna happen and you see if you're right, and then if you're right, whatever your idea is, must have some truth to it. So yeah, hope you can try it at home, see if you like it. If you have and you like the results, or if you have other suggestions, just let us know in the comments. And that's it for today. Say bye, Eleni. Bye. All right. And we're done. Do you want to do this again, Eleni? Do you want to do this again, Eleni? Why aren't you answering me? All right, clean up, clean up.